Hey, what is up guys, it's me Angus here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to install the latest iOS beta without any computer directly from your phone. The latest beta is iOS 13.4.5 at the moment. First I'm going to show you guys the actual iOS version that is currently installed in my iPhone, and that is iOS 13.4.1. Now that's out of the way, let's get into on how you're actually going to install iOS beta. Very first thing you have to do now is to get to the Apple Beta Program website. You can simply do that by either getting to the description of this video and clicking the link that I given below, or by simply searching it up on Google like I'm doing. Once you get to this page, you got to sign in with your Apple ID. Thereon, it will redirect you to this page where it basically it's like a manual slash instruction on how to install the iOS beta on your device. Now, it is highly recommended for you to take a backup and proceed to the next steps, just so if the beta is being a bit weird on your device and doesn't work properly, you can use a backup to restore your device to its initial stage. Now, once you have been signed in and all ready to go, what you have to do now is to go to this section on the beta program website where it says get started, and there will be a text that says enroll your iOS device, and that will be highlighted in blue color. Click on that, it will take you to another page, and now here you need to scroll down till you see the section where it says install profile. In here you gotta hit the big blue button, and once you hit that, there will be a pop-up saying this website blah blah blah. Now just click allow at this point, and once it is done, what you have to do now is open up the settings from your home page, that is home screen on your iPhone, and just below your Apple ID stuff, so there will be a option that says profile downloaded. Click that, click install button on the top right. Now it'll ask for your passcode, or simply enter that and click install again on the top right, and it's pretty much done. At this point you can just go to your software updates tab in the general, and then just install the software from there. That is about it for today. If you guys liked it, then hit the like button and stay subscribed, or get subscribed if you guys want to see more of these useful videos. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.